everyone, I'm Rosa with West Coast Sweat, and today I'm here to talk to you about Bhujangasana. So this is actually one of my most favorite postures, and just know when it's done the right way, you will fire up all of the back muscles. It's incredible. But the important thing is always to try the right way to the best of your ability. So what's really important about this posture is that half of the posture is in the setup. The details are meticulous to follow. The other half of the posture, you'll do the asana. So you'll lift your chest up as high as you can, and this is what's also really important. Then you want to come up at least 2 more inches on top of that. So let's get started. Lay down on your stomach, chin away from your chest. Now, all throughout the posture, you keep 5 fingers together. Why is this important? Because oftentimes the fingers can come apart. Maybe you get into a cupping position. The scope of this posture, when all of your body weight are on your hands, that's why the palms have to be flat. Toes and heels together. Make sure you fire up the leg muscles. They're nice and tight. Stretch your eyes up. Elbows touching the body, shoulders down. Look up. Shoulders down, chest up. And remember, come up at least 2 more inches. Slowly lower down. What's your thoughts on Bhujangasana? It's amazing. It's part of the spine strengthening series of class. My back already feels good just from showing you how to do the asana. So what questions do you have? Post them below and let's do it together. So we'll see you on your mat, coming to you live from Long Beach. Have a great day.